we're going to take a look into the future and spend an hour talking about how medicine is going to be impacted by a new science, the science of genomics. And genomics means the study of genomes, including notably our own genome, importantly our own genome, and related areas like genetic engineering and gene therapy.
There is great interest here, as well as in many of the rest of the academic centers in New York in genomics right now. And I thought it's worth thinking about why that is, and particularly why that's so in New York. So as Tom alluded to, there is a big technology revolution going on, and it was evident in the slide that he showed. That revolution is, in my view, unlikely to be replicated again in our lifetime.
What I'm going to address is, I spoke earlier with Tom, and he asked if I could focus on the area of gene therapy for this. So I'll be talking about what's going on with the gene therapy world.
I've learned from Tom Kelly's crowd across the street at Sloan Kettering, and David Solit in particular sort of pioneered this idea that you have a bell-shaped curve of how people respond to surgery, to chemotherapy in the case of colon cancer for David, or even for autoimmune disease like lupus. And a very interesting thing to keep in mind is in your patient populations, that subset of patients who are beyond the 95th percentile tend to be extremely good. It's the 2.5 percentile at either end who are outliers, tend to be a rich place to think about underlying genetic disorders. Why are they different from everybody else? And so I just throw that out there for you as a thought.